Hi, today I'm making a marbled coffee, otherwise pretentiously known as a latte macchiato. Step 1. Pick a coffee pod. I'ma just get rid of this hair. They don't tell you this, but all those colours of coffee pods taste the same. Next, fill your milk frother with your plant or cow juice of choice. And only up to the first max line because it tends to overflow. Make sure you have at least enough water for 1 cup of coffee. Then press both buttons on the top of the machine simultaneously to turn it on. Whilst my machine is flashing, I like to ponder how much child slavery went into my pod of Nespresso. Now the milk has finished, we pour it into a glass mug because latte cups are stupidly tall. Whoops, I spilled some. Press the button on the right of your machine if you want an appropriate amount of coffee and not just a single droplet. And voila! Here's to fueling your addiction. Enjoy!